Hey guys, Davidstack here, and today I'm just going to do a little bit of a should I say, bike check of my mountain bike that I'll be using in my mountain bike videos. So this is my recently bought mountain bike Carrera Subway 1, and it's a very nice ride. Very good reviews before I bought it. It's got the latest gear set, as you can see there. Very good hydraulic brakes, nice tyres, it's got lots of nice things on it. It's very good gearing and a very good crank, and it's all really good, to be honest. The seat is very comfortable. It's nice design, Carrera Subway 1. Very comfortable. So that's my bike check for today, and there will be more videos of bike checks in the future, and remember there's more videos coming, so please remember to like, subscribe and comment. Peace out.